Most people ask me the same questions. What AI tools should we use? But that is never my first questions. Because tools doesn't create result, but system do. In this video, I'm going to show you how I actually think when I design the AI for the SME. Not tutorials, not hype, but the structure behind the reasons that last. So when businesses start with the tools, they always end up with disappointment. They go and buy software first and try to figure out how to use it. That backwards. A tool without a context will become noise. A tool without the ownership will be forgotten. A tool without a workflow becomes a subscription that you keep paying for. So I never ask, what can this tool do? I ask, what problem are we solving here, right now, repeatedly? When I design the AI for SME, I follow a strict order. Not because it's fancy, but because it works. The order is decisions, workflow, ownership, then only tools. AI projects happen because most of the people skip the first three. Before any AI tools been introduced, what outcome matters? Not 5 outcomes, not vague improvement, but one clear results. For example, reduce response time, improve consistency, lower manual workload. If the outcome is unclear, AI will only accelerate confusions only. So here, clarity is the starting point. Once the outcome is clear, the next question is simple. What happens every time this task occurs? I map all the workflow before automations. Where does the input come from? What decision is made? What output is expected? If the workflow is messy, AI doesn't fix it. It will amplify it. AI is not a clean up tool. It is a multiplier. Every workflow must have an owner. One person, not the whole department, not a committee. The owner is responsible for accuracy, usage, improvement. If no one owns the systems, it becomes everyone's last priority. This is where the AI project died quietly. Only after decisions, workflow, and ownership are clear, do I choose tools. At this stage, tool choice become obvious because the system already exists. The tool simply support it only. This is why I never emotionally attach to the AI tools. Tools will keep on changing, but system don't. If this way of thinking resonates, I'm KelC. I work with business owner and leadership teams on designing systems that survive the real operations. Many teams misunderstand what actually keeps a system alive. They assume understanding is enough. In practice, systems survive through memory, a place where decisions are reinforced, workflows are documented, habits are maintained. Without reinforcement, the system will decay. This is not about teaching just once. It is about reminding consistently. AI doesn't fail because people are not smart enough. It fails because systems are not designed deeply enough. If you remember one thing from this video, remember this. Tools answer questions, but systems change behaviors. I'll continue sharing how to build AI that actually survive the real business. Not fast, but solid.